3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, almost. Keep her close. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh.
Keep. I think so.
Oh, I caught it.
Yeah, but it's like getting closer.
Damn. 1, 2, 5, 6. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, hold on. 2, 3. Nope. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Oh, see? 2, 3, 4. Oh, what was that?
You should be lucky that your mom doesn't really care about her grass.
Oh, yeah.
Well, she probably cares a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But she doesn't care enough to not let you do it out here.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay.